A couple of videos of how two pontoon crossings built to supply the Russian troops in the Kursk region went up in smoke. The second video also shows the OSA air defense missile system, which was hunting Ukrainian army reconnaissance drones, was destroyed. The Himars multiple launch rocket system was used with GMLRS cluster rockets. This attacks on pontoon crossings over the Seam River in Kursk region are trying to isolate Russians in the Glushkovsky district. Russians can still cross this fairly narrow river, but the risks are high. Russians posted video of supposed convoys of Western combat vehicles moving through Slovakia to Uzhgorod, Ukraine. They say supplies are not slowing down. Reportedly, this video is from Kursk region of Russia. Russian commanders make Russian soldiers destroy their phones so they don't put Russian military failures online.
Жестко. Что скажешь?
Готово.
Все? Урок
Я теперь буду
усвоил?
Да. Я больше не буду сидеть в ТикТоке.
2, 14, 21 поклавших нет.
Охуеть, просто.
Это... Посчитай их, слышишь, сколько?
And the situation for the Ukrainian army in the east is improving. The Russian advance in the Pokrovsk direction has slowed. Ukraine was able to send reserves to this area, and Russia is suffering huge losses trying to attack. Russia tried to expand the flanks in the direction of Pokrovsk. Heavy fighting is underway in the Seladov area, but Russia is unable to advance. The advance has also slowed in the Toretsk direction. The arriving Azov was even able to push Russian troops back near New York and unblock the encircled Ukrainian units. Azov writes that the Russians are conducting up to 15 assaults a day in this direction, but Ukraine is managing to hold back the defense. Russia reported complete control over New York, but as usual, this turned out to be a lie. And Ukrainian forces recaptured the center of the settlement. The Ukrainian offensive in the Kursk region has also predictably slowed down, but Russian troops in the Glushkov region are having difficulty crossing the same river. Ukraine is destroying the pontoon bridges that Russia is trying to build. As we reported, Ukraine is also managing to advance in the Kharkiv region. However, Russia managed to move a little in the direction of Vuhledar, and the situation there is difficult. But it is still beginning to seem that Russia does not have large reserves and is now wearing down its reserves, as if it still had that much available. There have been more cases when Air Force pilots were transferred to the infantry, writes Russian blogger Fighter Bomber. Valuable specialists are thrown into meaty assaults. This autumn promises to be decisive in many ways. Another video of the newest Ukrainian terrifying weapon. FPV drone burns Russian positions with thermite. Ukrainian servicemen next to both intact and damaged combat vehicles in the Kursk zone.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.